Hello, my name is Alexandra Peterson, and I am here today to explain to you the wonderful tools that can be found on iCivics.org. So this is actually a great website for social science teachers that are teaching middle school or high school. You can get different worksheets, quizzes already made. The big emphasis has to do with rights of immigrants and then your overall constitutional rights. So this is actually a game that I have my students play. It's called Do I Have a Right? And so the premise is that you are a lawyer. This is the lawyer, and this is his law firm. You can choose your avatar to be a woman or a man. You can even change their clothing. And then you start off with one lawyer. So here's our one lawyer. Right here, you notice that there are numbers. These numbers have to do with what the lawyer can do. So he can handle the First Amendment. As clients come in, you're going to click on them and you're going to determine if their case is something that you can argue based on the U.S. Constitution. If so, you need to match them to the correct lawyer. So in this case, we have somebody who had an issue and I determined that they probably have a case with the First Amendment. I matched them to the First Amendment lawyer, and now we're going to see what happens. We're going to be waiting for the trial, and it looks like we won, and so we won some money. As you win more prestige points, you're able to buy more things. You can buy decorations on the walls. You can employ more people who have specific abilities when it comes to identifying parts of amendments. So there's one person who only does the 7th Amendment. There's one person who only does the 14th Amendment. And so as you hire more people, you're going to be able to help more clients and therefore make more money. My students love this game because it has to do with competition. Because the more prestige and the bigger your firm, the more likely you are to be successful as a lawyer. And here's just an example of how you find out if you won or not because there's a newspaper article that prints. Thank you.